Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jamie Oliver's incredible chocolate brownies. First, let's gather our simple, high-quality ingredients. You'll need 250 grams of 70% dark chocolate and an equal amount of unsalted butter. We'll also use 4 large free-range eggs, 250 grams of golden castor sugar, and 2 heaped tablespoons each of self-raising flour and quality cocoa powder. Don't forget a tiny pinch of sea salt to really make that chocolate sing. Now, let's get started on the preparation. Begin by preheating your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a 25 centimeter square baking tin with greaseproof paper, ensuring it's ready for your mixture. Next, gently melt the 250 grams of dark chocolate and 250 grams of butter in a heat-proof bowl set over a pan of simmering water, stirring until smooth. In another bowl, whisk the 4 eggs and 250 grams of sugar until they become light and fluffy. With your melted chocolate and fluffy egg mixture ready, it's time to combine everything. Sieve the 2 heaped tablespoons of self-raising flour and 2 heaped tablespoons of cocoa powder into your egg and sugar mixture. Give it a quick whisk, then gently fold in the cooled melted chocolate and butter until just combined. Pour this rich, silky batter into your lined 25 centimeter tin, spreading it evenly. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes. The top should be crisp, but the middle should still have a slight wobble. The hardest part is waiting, but it's crucial for perfect brownies. Once baked, leave your brownies to cool in the tin for at least 15 minutes. This allows them to set properly, giving you that irresistible crisp top and gooey center. After cooling, carefully lift the entire slab onto a chopping board. Now, slice them into generous, chunky squares. These delicious treats are fantastic served warm, perhaps with a dollop of vanilla ice cream for an extra special touch. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.